Good morning, friends. In last session, we have completed the last chapter with revision. In last chapter, we were revising all the chapters and important terms from that chapter. I think light. Okay. In this session, we are going to start new chapter. That is chapter 9, which is soil. In this chapter, we will discuss about soil, some different layers about layers of soil. Okay, what is inside soil? Okay, some activities related to this thing, other properties of soil, absorption of water by soil, and moisture in soil. Okay, both of these things are very important for plants also. Okay, soil and crops, which is quite related to our agriculture, and you know very well that agriculture is very important to our life, and that's why we can say that soil is a essential part of our life. So this is very important statement, and usually is being asked in exam to justify. Okay, so let's start. Okay, in introduction part we are going to discuss about this statement also. Soil is one of the most important natural resources. It supports the growth of plants by holding the roots firmly and supplying water and nutrition. We know that in the plant, okay, in the growing plant, okay, it's not only water which helpful to plant. Soil is playing a vital role. Okay, it is as important as water, we can say, because soil is used to hold the roots. Okay, here you may be given, it supports the growth of plants by holding the roots firmly. Okay, it's hold the roots firmly, okay, and supplying water and nutrition. Knows very well that we are providing some water to the plant, okay, to the roots, but as we have discussed in last to last chapter maybe, that with the help of roots, okay, these plants are absorbing the water from the soil, because whatever the water we have provided, it is to the soil only. Okay, so holding the roots firmly and supplying water and nutrition. Okay, it is the home for many organisms. You may have already studied that some organisms are living in the soil also. Okay, so that's how this important. Okay, first one for plant. The first one, it is most important natural resources. Second point you have to write about plant. Third one is for some organisms, and fourth one you are given that soil is essential for agriculture. We know very well that agriculture is the basic part. Okay, it is base for our routine life. That soil is essential for agriculture, and agriculture provides foods, clothing, and shelter for all. Okay, so this is the fourth point, and that's why this soil is thus an inseparable part of our life. So this is something important you are given in the introduction part. I suggest you to underline this uh, 4 to 5 things. Okay, here I am just doing that. The first one is most important, natural resources. Second one is growth of plants. Third one is home for many organisms, and fourth one is essential for agriculture. Okay, in this same point in this fourth point regarding this agriculture, you have to write this next line also, that agriculture provides food, clothing. The clothing is indirectly made up of the cotton only, and cotton we are getting from, with the help of agriculture. Okay, so that's why clothing and shelter for all. The earthy fragrance of soil after the first rain is always refreshing. Okay, if you know, then some of the cities of Gujarat, okay, our state, are having rain nowadays. Okay, so I mean to say, it is not the rainy season. Although there is some rain in that cities like Junagadh, Kutch, etc. Okay, so if this thing is going on in our city, okay, in our Moa city, then you can feel this thing that the earthy fragrance of soil after the first rain is always refreshing. Okay. So this is basic thing you are given in the introduction. Let's move forward to the next topic, that is soil teeming with life. One day during the rainy season, Paheli and Bojo observe an earthworm coming out of the soil. Paheli wondered whether there were other organisms also in the soil. Let us find out. Okay, so as we have discussed here, that it is the home for many organisms. We are going to discuss regarding this one. Activity 9.1, you are given that collect some soil samples and observe them carefully. You can use a hand lens, examine each sample carefully and fill in the table 9.1. Yes, here you are given the table 9.1, that if you are taking some samples of garden soil, okay, then plants, animals, any other observations. Okay, three columns you are given. Then in plants, which type of plants you can observe. So generally you will get some grass. After these, in animals, which type of animals you can see, and any other things you can see. Then just go and write it down. Discuss your observation with your friends. Are the soil samples collected by your friends similar to the ones collected by you? Samples of you and your friends are similar or not? Okay, observe that one also. Ujo and Paheli have used soil in many ways. They enjoy playing with it. It is a great fun indeed. Make a list of the uses of soil. Generally, you may observe that these times uh, kids are spending more and more times on the mobile. Okay, apart from this lecture also, this lecture is very much important. This type of this lectures sending by school, okay, is very much important for you. But if you are just wasting time in playing game or any other things, okay, then I suggest you to spend some time on this activity. Okay, I mean to say, try to perform this activity if possible, because many of these activities you can perform at your home also. Okay. So here you are given some points, okay, in this table 9.1, that take the sample of garden soil from the roadside. Okay, you simply besides the road, soil from the area where construction is going on. Okay, and you can take some more examples also. Okay, like let's take an sample of take a sample of soil at the seashore, let's say. Okay, then you will have different type of soil. You may get some plants. Okay, if it's possible, okay, then you may get some plants. After that, animals. Okay, if you are getting some animals, then it will be from the sea only. Okay, generally you can get this type of animals at the sea only, seashore only. And in any other observation, okay, cause of some limitation, if you will get some dust also. Okay, I mean to say some litter also. Okay, that type of things, very dusty or bad things also in the soil from the this seashore. So you can take some different exam or different samples also in this table 9.1. So today we have just discussed this basic things, okay, introduction part and topic number 9.1. In next session, we will discuss this topic 9.2, that is soil profile. Okay, we will discuss these important terms also. Okay, and how we can recognize this term. Okay, I need to say how we should address that this part is this part is this, that is this. Okay. So that's it for today. Thank you very much and have a nice day to all of you.